As popular as Pilates has become over the years, the most common question I still get is, what is Pilates? So we're going to answer that in this video. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. This is a place where we come to the mat for an effective workout so you can step off your mat and enjoy your day. If Pilates is known for anything, it's for an effective ab workout, but really it can offer so much more than that for strengthening the body, stretching, mobilizing, working on balance. The list can go on. So Pilates is simply another exercise system that you can move with. And because some of the exercises are pretty unique, they combine strength, flexibility, and mobility. This aspect is what makes Pilates so effective, unique, and challenging at times as well. You can do Pilates at home, on the Pilates mat with no equipment. You can do it with equipment. You can do it on bigger pieces of Pilates equipment that you may see in the studio. But no matter where you do Pilates, it's all Pilates. And as Joseph Pilates wrote in his book, Return to Life, you may derive all the benefits of Pilates at home. There's a set breathing pattern with most of the exercises in Pilates, and this is just to help you find either a deeper relaxation in certain areas of the body, like releasing tension in the shoulders, or a deeper engagement, such as engaging the abs more deeply as you exhale. And if you're just getting started, don't let this concern you too much. It's just more important that you breathe during the workout. Joseph Pilates originally called the method Contrology because he felt like your mind should control the movements of your body. And I like to think of this more as just a mindful awareness. Are the exercises you're doing benefiting you? Are you moving with them in a way that feels good to either foster more strength or work on your flexibility? And in this way, you can add variations to the exercises so that you can really work in a way that's optimal for you right now. The very first Pilates exercise I ever did was this one, the 100, focusing on breathing, pumping your arms, long, strong legs. Of course the abs are working. Well, it was in high school and I didn't last very long. In fact, the person who was teaching it wasn't even a Pilates teacher, and so I didn't give Pilates a fair chance. It wasn't until years later that I tried Pilates again, and this time with a Pilates teacher. I began in college on the Pilates mat, taking an academic course, so I had to stick with it for about 4 months. And the next semester, I progressed to moving with the larger pieces of equipment like the reformer and the Cadillac and the wounded chair and all that fun stuff. The studio equipment relies on springs many times, and these springs are very dynamic. And as they open and stretch, they'll either provide more resistance or more support. And when you have more support or resistance, this means you can make your workouts a little bit easier or much more challenging. We can replicate this on the mat by adding small pieces of equipment to, again, either provide extra support or resistance. It's also a way that you can work with more exercises and more variety. My number one recommendation with Pilates is to give it a fair chance and just give it time. Some exercises are going to seem really easy at first. Others are going to seem really challenging. Some may feel a little weird. And it's all okay because many of the exercises may be new to you. It's going to take time to get familiar with the system. And really, the only way to know what Pilates is not by watching another video explaining what Pilates is or reading a book. It's to do the work. Get on your mat, move with Pilates, move with it on high energy days when maybe you can do a really challenging workout. Move with it on lower energy days when maybe it's a more restorative workout or a stretching class. Because when you find workouts that are in alignment with what you need, that's how you're going to be motivated to come back and move with Pilates. And if you've been moving with Pilates for a long time, leave a comment down below and let us know why you keep moving with the system. This may help encourage other people to give Pilates a try. And if you're brand new to Pilates, or maybe you're just getting back into it after some time off, I encourage you to move with a 7-day at-home Pilates challenge, featuring short and effective workouts that you can do from the comfort of your own home. You won't need any additional equipment, and all the workouts complement each other. This is going to give you enough time, 7 different workouts, to figure out if you want to continue with the Pilates method. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumbs up. I can't wait for you to join me on the mat for a Pilates workout. Have a beautiful day. If you're ready to get started with your Pilates practice, try the 7-day at-home Pilates challenge, featuring short and effective workouts to set you up for success with the method. Sign up using the link, and I can't wait for you to join me on the mat.